I'm Zach.
And I'm Bo. And today, whether it's receptacles, splices, or trices, we've got you. Welcome back to In the Know with Zach and Bo.
I'm Zach.
And I'm Bo. And today, we're talking our family of landscape products.
What we're looking at today is our Landscape LightPost, SplicePost, and Receptacle Post. Now, they're all a little different, but there are some things that are similar. They're all made of 3-inch PVC pipe, making them shatter, corrosion, and UV resistant, and they can all handle luminaires that are under 12 inches tall and weigh less than 12 pounds.
So we have different options. We've covered some of the similarities, but why would I use one over the other?
Well, good question. Let's start over here with the Landscape LightPost. This is a low-profile design, and it's meant for one light and a single circuit feeding into it.
Okay.
Now, if you're running multiple of these, running from one to the next, you want to jump over here to our SplicePost. It has a 19 cubic inch junction box that can handle up to 220 amp circuits. So perfect for all those terminations that are going on inside there.
Sure.
Now over here, you've got the same thing, the SplicePost cap, but it's also set up for an outdoor receptacle. So you can install a 120 volt weather resistant GFCI receptacle with a NEMA 3R cover and have that power for when you need it outdoors.
And what's nice is it looks like the customer or the contractor can pick their own receptacle and their own cover.
Exactly. Yep.
Okay.
Depending on their application, they can pick the color cover they want. They're all available locally. All right. Whether you're installing an outdoor light fixture or a receptacle, think EPCO.
Check out this and more at our website, engproducts.com.